आ आ
उठो जहां बदल दो, उठो जहां बदल दो। हाथों से अपने लिख कर हर दास्तां बदल दो। ऐ मेरे नौजवानों, उठो जहां बदल दो। हाथों से
I would request the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, Chairman, Higher Education Commission, to award PhD degrees to the successful PhD graduates. Dr. Muhammad Amir Siddiq, PhD in Basic Medical Sciences, Chemical Pathology. Dr. Madiha Kaval Sadia, Doctor of Philosophy in Pharmacy. Dr. Sadia Tabassum Arif, Doctor of Philosophy in Pharmacy. Dr. Humma Aslam Bhatt, Doctor of Philosophy in Pharmacy. Now the distinguished graduates will be awarded the Zulfikar Gold Medals on the basis of the best overall curricular and the co-curricular performance. Sir, I would request you to award the Zulfikar Gold Medal to the distinguished graduates of the Faculty of Healthy and Medical Sciences, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and Faculty of Rehab and Allied Health Sciences. Ms. Maham Zahra, MBBS. Ms. Shiza Haq, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Ms. Alia Ghulam Nabi, Doctor of Pharmacy. Ms. Arshia Iqbal, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Ms. Aisha Bano, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Ms. Iman Jamil, BS in Speech and Language Pathology. Ms. Khazina Ikram, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Ms. Noor Fatima, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Ms. Rimsha Kamal, BS in Speech and Language Pathology. Mr. Faraz Ahmed, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Mr. Muhammad Ahab Bashir Raja, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Mr. Nudratullah Saad, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Mr. Shahzeb Zafir, his father will receive his gold medal, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Now, the distinct graduates will be awarded the Chancellor Gold Medals on the basis of the best overall curricular and co-curricular performance. Sir, I would request you to award the Chancellor Gold Medal to the distinct graduates of the Faculty of Health and Medical Sciences, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and Faculty of Rehab and Allied Health Sciences. Ms. Mariam Shehzadi, Shitu. Ms. Iman Chaudhary, MPhil in Basic Medical Sciences. Ms. Maham Zahra, MBBS. Ms. Aisha Malik, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Miss Ayman Amer, Doctor of Pharmacy. Miss Maria Hamid, Master of Philosophy in Pharmaceutics. Mr. Muhammad Amir Hamza, Master of Philosophy in Pharmacy Practice. Miss Arshia Iqbal, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Mr. Faraz Ahmed, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Miss Rimsha Kanwal, BS in Speech and Language Pathology. Miss Laiba Shokat, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Mr. Nudratullah Saad, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Miss Aisha Norani, MS in Speech Language Pathology. Miss Fakhrunisa, MS in Physical Therapy. Miss Hafiza Misbah Inayat, MS in Physical Therapy. Miss Maryam Fatima, MS in Physical Therapy. Miss Myra Kanwal, MS in Physical Therapy. Miss Yusra Mehreen Niazi, MS in Physical Therapy. Miss Tuba Rauf, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Mr. Muhammad Ahab Bashir Raja, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Miss Iman Jamil, BS in Speech and Language Pathology. Miss Alia Bibi, BS in Medical Laboratory Technology. Mr. Shahzeb Zafir, BS in Medical Laboratory. Miss Maria Afzal, MS in Speech Language Pathology. Miss Rimsha Kanwal, MS in Physical Therapy. Mr. Mulazim Imran, MS in Physical Therapy. Mr. Muhammad Khalilur Rahman, MS in Physical Therapy. Miss Nimra Ilyas Bhutta, MS in Physical Therapy. Mr. Abdul Basit Khan, MS in Physical Therapy. Mr. Huzaifa Gulzar, MS in Medical Laboratory.
मेरे नौजवानों